Got information that nearby the court complex there is a one grenade, but grenade is outside the boundary wall. It's lying nearby it's lying in the debris area. So we have just cordoned off the area, and we are calling the specialist team to look into it.
স্যার এটা
Thank
কি
you very
তাজা
much.
গ্রেনেড না ড্যামেজ?
The specialist team will come and they will tell us. It looks like it's a very rusted and old one.
আচ্ছা,
Yes.
মানে কত বছর বা কত দিনের পুরনো এই যাবতীয় কিছু?
It seems it's a very old, it's a very rusted, it's already rusted. So this is the matter.
কোটা স্যার?
एक अभी तो जस्ट एक ही मिला है, देयर इज ओनली वन, सिर्फ एक ही ग्रेनेड दिखा है. द टीम विल कम एंड टीम विल लुक इनटू इट.